Ever been in a quiet room and suddenly your stomach lets out a loud grr? It's not just your stomach begging for food. That sound is your digestive system in action. Even when you're not eating, your stomach and intestines are busy moving, pushing air and fluids around. This constant motion creates those growling noises. It's like your body is doing a little maintenance check, just a bit louder than you'd like. So next time your stomach growls, remember, it's just your body keeping things running smoothly, even if it's a bit noisy about it.